Yeah,
Hi,
how are
Newton.
you? Hello, how are you?
Yes, I am doing great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Yes, so this is our second session together.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so how is your day going?
My day going really well, very
Mm-hmm.
interesting. I had a session, it was on audio, but I had a session for 1 hour on a stretch. So I feel really enthusiastic because I really enjoy talking in English with people. But due to
Mm-hmm.
my busy schedule, I don't get time because I work in the school that's, totally, I can say comfortable for me, where I can get the environment, like I can talk with the people in English. But the thing is, I haven't mingled with them so far. So
Mm-hmm.
really, like less I talk with them, with the colleagues of the school. I
Mm-hmm.
like when I am like in front of the students, then I speak in English because there I supposed to speak in English, or
Mm-hmm.
else I don't get time and I don't have any opportunity. So when I
Mm-hmm.
get the opportunity, when I am like dealing with the people, connecting with them online or having the video session or audio, depends. So there I really enjoy talking with them in English.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so by interacting with a lot of students, I'm sure they are from different regions, right? So what have you gained so far with all these interactions?
Uh, with the students, I'm talking about.
Yes, with the students.
Some of students they are really curious to know, eager to know like what exactly I'm trying to have them understand. They're
Yeah.
really interested to know from my side, and a few of them they are, you can say, they are below average, so they don't showcase that interest. So sometimes I need to just volume up my voice to have them understand because that's my duty. I need to do it anyhow, and sometimes I just not shout at them kind of, but this we are bound to do, being a teacher,
Mhm.
this we have to do. Yeah,
Yes.
so some takes really interest to learn
Mm-hmm.
English, to speak something in English, but some of them they are really dull in that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's great. So I'm sure that you must have had a stressful day indeed.
Not kind of, because I really enjoy, because that time I get the opportunity when I'm in
Mm-hmm.
front of the student, there I supposed to speak in English, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what I feel a little, I can say, challenging, because I have to volume up my voice, pressurize
Okay, yes.
my mind, and then
Mhm.
there's a big stress, to to speak in
I
front
get
of
it.
the
I
student
get
so
it.
that I
Yes.
can be heard. So,
Yes.
and it
Yes.
should be crystal clear as well. So
Mm-hmm.
that time it's quite challenging. Overall, I just enjoy.
Okay. So you are from Uttar Pradesh, right, Nutan?
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay. All right. So can you tell me something about your state, about your city? Like, what is so special about it? What is the culture over there? The beautiful places that one can visit?
Yeah, of course. As it's really famous because of the temples. It's a really sacred place, Mathura. And
Okay.
there are so many temples, more than 5,000 temples, and all are dedicated to Lord Krishna.
5,000 temples.
Yeah,
Wow.
from small to a massive temple. And so
Okay.
many different deities wearing nice attires and all. And
Mm-hmm.
talking about food, so yes, there are so many, delectable,
Mm-hmm.
scrumptious food over here. One of them is peda, that's a sweet, that's a form of sweet, and the other is kachori, that really famous in Mathura.
Mm-hmm.
And talking about the rituals that we follow, like
Mm-hmm.
being Hindu, we follow all the rituals and observing the fast, and then any specific day, meaning the festivals we really enjoy by observing fast, and then we celebrate, we just bathe the deities which we have established in our worshipping room, veneration room, this we do. And
Mm-hmm.
talking about overall, so many people, I would not say from north side, even
Mm-hmm.
south side of India, even
Mm-hmm.
foreigner as well, they come up here to
Mm-hmm.
have a vision of Lord Krishna because they have belief.
Mm-hmm.
They just they have become, you can say, devotee. This
Mm-hmm.
is why. And there are music, kind of folk music, everything here. So
Mm-hmm.
people really enjoy. And yes, there's a famous river called Yamuna River, and
Mm-hmm.
bank of the river is also really famous. One of the famous bank of river is um, I just forgot. Yeah, Vishram Dham. Vishram Dham,
Okay.
yeah. Mm.
All right. Okay.
So
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 I'm
many
sure.
things. Mm.
So most of the ancient temples are present out there.
Yeah, right, right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And the
Okay.
arts you can see if you ever happen to come here, so you'll
Mm-hmm.
come to know the, you can say, the karigari, everything,
Mm-hmm.
it's really beautiful. It's you can say worth seeing, worth
Mm-hmm.
seeing if you ever
Okay.
visit here. Yeah.
All right. And which is the famous festival out there?
It's a Shri Krishna Janmashtami, because
Mm-hmm.
Krishna, we really believe and we really, worship Lord Krishna. So there are so many, and we celebrate all the festival. I can say it's not about only Shri Krishna Janmashtami. Even
Mm-hmm.
Holi really famous here. I
Mm-hmm.
can say it's why it's famous, because in so many ways we celebrate Holi. I think you might know this festival about
Yes,
Holi.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. So many festival, and in the festivals we just wear nice attire and everything, kind of
Mm-hmm.
properly Indian dress that we wear, like sari, lehenga, like this
Mm-hmm.
way. Mm. And the dance
Okay.
as well.
Yes, I do see that a lot during Holi, especially. Yes, you enjoy a lot during that time. It's
Yeah,
beautiful. What about Diwali? Diwali is also very
yeah,
well
Diwali
celebrated,
also.
right?
Yeah, this is why I said all
Okay.
the, like, it was not
Oh,
coming at
many
the
different
same time
people.
in on my tongue, but the thing, there are
Mhm.
so many temple sorry, festivals.
Okay, all right. And how's the weather out there right now?
It has been, I think, 3 4 days, so weather is quite pleasant, because 3 4 days ago it was raining heavily, raining cats and dogs, I can say, and the kind of storm came. Yeah,
Okay.
so the weather is quite pleasant now. There is
So
no
the
heat.
was quite pleasant out there. All right, okay. Because I've never ever been to Uttar Pradesh much, so that's why I wanted to know something from you because since you are born and brought up over there. Okay, so Nutan, so tell me something about being a YouTuber. What do you think is the most beneficial part of this since we have YouTube, right, as a social media platform? I'm sure many of learners also they have gained a lot from your videos as well.
I think anyone who is on this platform, using this platform, first of all, they can earn money. I'm not earning money so far. I haven't done, my channel hasn't monetized yet well. So the
Okay.
thing is, yeah, the thing is, it's not about earning, it's about
Mhm.
evolving. It's about
Yes.
growing, building up your confidence level, be it anything you are doing. Let's say making the reels. So many people, they make, kind of comedy reels. Some of
Yes.
people, they dance and they make dance videos in the reels. Some of them sings, kind of pitch, it's a various, like we cannot count. I think if I start counting, so I think things are not going to come on my mind
Mhm.
at the same time. So the thing is, it's about getting the opportunity to
Mhm.
explore. Let's say you have a talent and you want to showcase to the world, like, yes, this I do, and this I really interested in, and all the things. And this
Mhm.
is the really, I can say, wondrous thing, this platform I'm talking about, because you can showcase
Mhm.
over there, and people who really take interest, so they can just go through your video, and
Yeah.
there's first thing that you're going to get the views, and on
Mhm.
basis of that, you might get your channel monetized as well. So many
Mhm.
things. And if you want to learn anything, let's say coding, any skill you want to learn, so you can
Mhm.
learn, because YouTube is such a platform, big platform, I can say. There you can learn anything. You don't know anything, you don't know how to play a guitar, how to sing as well, how to change your voice sometimes, kind of communication skill, anything, be it
Yeah.
anything, in any term,
Mhm.
that you can just learn by watching a few videos and then implementing as well. It's not about only watching and then just filling your mind with so many stuff, kind of input, we can say this, but it's
Mhm.
about implementation as well. So be it anything you want to learn, you can go through videos, you can watch, and then just work on this, do it practically, right? So
Mhm.
many benefits we can get, and it's so lucrative for us.
Mm-hmm.
who is really, aspire to do something with the help of YouTube, I can say. And
Mm-hmm.
talking about myself, my journey, so far I have improved a lot. There was a time 4 years ago I didn't have this much, courage to speak with people like this way, whether via video call, on audio, or going
Mm-hmm.
out and then speaking with them in person. So I have improved a lot so far just by utilizing the platform. And there is one another platform called Skype, but I think it has retired now, and we can use Team. So
Mm-hmm.
that helped me a lot, and I have amplified my confidence level just because of, you can say, social media.
Mm-hmm.
Overall, social media, with the help of social media, I have improved this much that I can interact with people comfortably. I can put my thoughts across, and that's a big deal for me because, once I used to be a naive personality. I
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one second, one second. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Yeah, so I was saying that there was a time I used to be a naive personality, totally raw. And now, with the help of, this platform, I have achieved this much confidence level that I can deal with people, right? I can just put across my thoughts. So for me, it's a big deal. It's so beneficial for me.
Of course. So that's what I feel like. It's always an individual's way of utilizing any app, right? I mean, sometimes people they do say that okay, social media is also a boon, it's also a bane. I feel that of course everything has its own pros and cons, but it
Yeah,
depends
right.
upon us, right? How we use it wisely that way. Which one would be productive for us? Definitely, we would gain a lot from that.
Yeah, but somewhere there's one of the, I can say, cons, because as you rightly said that each and everything has pros and cons. So I can say there are a few cons as well using social media, as
Mm-hmm.
there is, you can say, identity, you know
Mm-hmm.
somewhere it's quite challenging to share your identity, let's say your videos, photographs, any
Yes.
documents, right? And
Mm-hmm.
hacking also a big fear over here. And the other thing, I think most importantly, I can say, when we are this much indulged to scroll the videos and watching the stuff,
Yeah.
whether we are trying to learn anything, any new skill, anything, but
Mhm.
on the other hand, somewhere we are losing that, quality time with the family. We don't
Yes.
take out time and to utilize that moment with the family. Somewhere we are ignoring that, and it's a
Mhm.
kind of isolation, I can say.
Mhm.
Somewhere we are being alienated, separated
Mhm.
from that feeling, I can say. So that's not right, because somewhere you are okay, you are indulged, you are totally engrossed with the such videos and the stuff, everything. But somewhere inside you are alone, and the
Mhm.
things that you are suffering from, there is a kind of, if there is a kind of emotional turbulence, anything, chaos, so you're not sharing with your loved ones. Even you're
Mhm.
just totally engrossed with the phone and using social media, anyhow you are just persuading your mind, focusing
Mhm.
your mind, but you're not sharing your problems, anything that could be in any form. You're not sharing that with your family members, with your loved ones, because you are considering social media or any platforms and the person who are you're connecting with, so you are thinking that that's your friend, that's your true friend. So this is why you're not taking care of those, I can say, valuable, I can
Yes.
say, the people, members.
Yes, yes. That's what social media makes us social in a way where we're using it digitally. But like you said, but in the physical world, we are not being social at all, right? We forget to socialize with the people around us who's sitting next to us, right? We tend to go to another world. We go into that technical world where we forget the physical interaction with someone who's near us. So, of course, yes, that is completely right of what you had said. So that is what I think we have to be very much careful, right? We have to be careful in choosing our quality time where we have to spend with our family, friends, with ourselves also. And then half of the time where we are going to utilize it, right? Because of course it also affects not just mentally, physically also, because sometimes when you're always on the screen, that also it impacts a lot, right? Your health will
Mhm.
take a toll. if we do that
Yeah.
continuously. I have also been, suffering from all of that when I have been using too much of screen time, using my laptop. So literally I had to take small, small breaks in between where at least I have to do some kind of exercising, or, I have to go and see the beautiful trees, flowers outside, because that eases my mind also. Because sometimes we are too way busy on our screen time, on our phones or the laptop. That also, it affects our health a lot.
Yeah, right. But there's one saying that easier said than done. Because
Yes.
we discuss, but
Yes.
at the end of the day, we are doing the same thing. We are doing the
Yes,
very
that's
thing,
what.
so that's not right. We need to implement that. Take out
Yes.
some time,
Implement.
quality time, and then spend that time with your family members and do
Mhm.
some productive. It's not about always using your mobile phone and you are on
Mhm.
screen. Sometimes
Mhm.
you can just take a walk, and
Yes.
as you rightly said, exercise or such kind of things we can do.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that is it. Okay, then, Newton, thank you so much for that wonderful session with you, and you have given your valuable time to this session as well. Anything you would
Thank
like to
you.
ask me?
Thank you. I really enjoyed. Yeah, I wanted to ask, but let it be. If you want to call it a day, then it's okay.
No, see, you can go ahead.
Okay. So I would like to ask, what's your stance when it comes to use the, you know,
Mm-hmm.
concrete fancy words? So
Mm-hmm.
some people take it in a very wrong way.
Mm-hmm.
Some people take it in a very wrong way. They think they have a kind of assumptions that somebody is using concrete words, so he's
Mm-hmm.
incorporating or she's incorporating it deliberately. So do you
Mm-hmm.
think so? Or if it is really important, so can't we use them? I think to me it's okay to use because sometimes it's really needed. Because when you are in the topic, like you are discussing any
Mm-hmm.
topic, so you
Yeah,
must know a few words to be
of
utilized at the
course.
same time, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what's your stance on this?
Well, I feel like you had said, I agree with it, because once we are learning any new words, in order to enhance our vocabulary, it's important to put those words into practice, right? It's of no use if I'm learning a new word today, a synonym, suppose, of a certain word, because sometimes what happens is our speech or our writings become so monotonous, become so boring if we are always using those simple, basic words. We do
That's
have
right.
to use better words, right, in order to make our writings and we sound much way professional, right, a way better speech. So we have to use, but again, there's a bit of limitation. We have to check the audience also, to the other person
Yeah.
who we are speaking with, right? So accordingly, if you can do that, but of course it is going to be very, very, like, it's going to be excellent if you're able to use the words that you're learning every day, right? You're using advanced words. I can see that you're doing that a lot while you speak. So that will also help you in enhancing your vocabulary, because anything we learn, we have to put it into practice. In that way,
Right.
we will be fluent, right? How will I be fluent in English? Only if I speak in English. What's the
Yeah,
point
right.
of learning new words if I'm not using them in my daily conversations, right? So, of course, you can do that, well and good. But then again, it's limited to a certain part where we have to check the person whom we're talking with. Suppose if I have to
Yeah.
give a public speech, I have to check with my audience also. Okay, I have to
Right.
check my target audience too. So,
Mhm.
accordingly, you can do that.
Yeah,
All
to
right,
reach
then.
out such people, then we can use basic English. But
Yes.
talking about any topic, so I think there is
Yeah.
no harm using. There's no problem.
No harm. Yes, of course. There's no harm. Yes. It's not like, oh, look at this person trying to show off that she knows all these new, big words, right? I mean, some people, they do have that kind of,
Yeah,
mindset. But then, of
perceptions
course,
they have.
that depends upon you, right? If you are learning something new, why not? But then not to use too much of those jargons and everything. So it
Yeah,
becomes difficult for the other person to comprehend of what you're saying, right?
yeah, because
So
people
that's why.
going to be entangled over there. They're not
Yes.
going to understand.
It's
Okay.
not going to be easy then that way, right? They'll be like, okay, what are you saying? I just don't know. I need to carry a dictionary. So you don't want that kind of a situation to happen also with you,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So
So,
accordingly, you'll be able to
mhm.
gauge the other person
Okay.
well.
So, according to you, what is the best idea to learn the words and use them into the conversation at the same time? Because it's really normal that
Mm-hmm.
we learn those words, but when it comes to utilize, like we
Mm-hmm.
are not bringing it out. we're not retrieving, we're not
Yes.
able to do so. So what's your take on?
That's what, for me, I feel like practice is the best way to enhance anything, be it your communication skills, be it building of your words as well, right? Suppose I've learned a new word. What I used to do is I always have a dictionary app on my phone. So every day I would always learn a new word and then I would check how to use this particular word in a sentence. So then, of course, in my daily conversations, I try to incorporate it according to the topic, not just to just insert the word wherever I want to. I have to
Yeah.
check accordingly. So
Mhm.
that is the best way to do it, because otherwise you might forget that new word that you have learned. You might forget the meaning also. But once you use it in a sentence, you have checked the examples and then you speak accordingly. That way
Mhm.
it will be stored in your brain. That way it will be.
Okay.
That's
And what
good.
about such people? Sorry to interrupt you. What about such people who are not using concrete words, but a lot of
Mhm.
time they are using idioms, idioms
Idioms.
so many times. Yeah. So what
Yes,
about
yes.
those people? Do you want to say something?
Well, of course, see, I am someone also who do likes to use again idioms and phrases, because again that makes your speech very effective. Also, like we say, it was raining cats and dogs, this and that, right? Like I want to, like, no, I was just break a leg. We say that, right? I was just pulling your leg. All these kinds of things. You
Mhm.
can use the common idioms, but again, not everyone would be, you would understand those advanced on an advanced level also. Like I had told you, we have to check accordingly with the audience too. Okay, make
Yeah,
sure that the other person will be able to understand. Otherwise, what is the use if the other person is not able to comprehend whatever you are saying, also, right? Because communication is always a two-way process. Unless and
right.
until the other person doesn't understand what you're saying, then the communication process is not complete. So,
Yeah.
in that way, yes.
Yeah, and somewhere we are hindering while
Mm-hmm.
using such, big expressions, idioms. So sometimes we are hindering to reach to such people.
Mm-hmm. That's what.
Yeah.
That's what. So we don't want those kinds of obstacles to come in between our conversation.
Yeah, right, right. Because I have seen a few videos of
Mm-hmm.
tutors, like I would not say the entire video, but they
Yeah.
use a lot of idioms
Mhm.
and phrases, so many
Yes.
times. Even I also don't get them what they are
You would
talking. When
understand.
I
That's
when
why.
I watch the entire video, then I
Uh,
come to know, okay, this is like accordingly. I just figure it
mhm.
out. Ki, Acha, this is the meaning of this particular
Okay.
expression. Okay, but
It,
sometimes it is,
uh,
it's, I can say they are exaggerating. This much they are
mhm.
using. So I think
Mhm.
that's not right. Every time
Mm-hmm.
you're
That's
doing
what.
this.
Just to use it. See, that's what, every time it's always the amount of how much we're using it, right? Suppose if we're eating, we should not overeat, isn't it? So we should know up to how much an extent should we use those kinds of idioms and phrases. And of course, if you want to learn new idioms every day, there's no harm. You want to use it during when you're speaking with someone, like in the session. If you want to use, like you had used it in the first initially, right? So that is fine, because that is a very common idiom. Everyone would know that. But then to use those uncommon ones, it becomes very, very complex then. It becomes very difficult for the other person, because I have also experienced these kinds of conversations where the other person didn't even understand. So what's the
Yeah.
point then of the whole communication process,
Yeah,
right?
right. There is no point doing things again and
Yes,
again. Yeah.
yeah,
Right. I totally agree with you.
yes. Okay,
Okay.
Nutan, thank you so much for your
Yeah.
valuable time. It's always a delight to have a conversation with you.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
I
yeah.
also really enjoyed. Thank you so much. You gave me your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you. Bye
Nutan.
bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Have a
Bye.
good
Take care.
evening.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.